This is a 2006 Jeep Commander. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, a sunroof, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, side impact airbags, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.